Can you introduce yourself? Let's go, let's go. Yes, let's go. Let's go. We go, we go, we go. We go. Now we are done shopping. My son, Fadhili is rich here. So now heading home. Push the trolley, we go.
We got the car.
Give me the money.
Can I just have
All my money is. So we had a great day shopping here at Carrefour.
wait on my skate?
What else about you? You love playing with riding a scooter,
Yeah.
and you have what do you call this? The one you wear? Skates? Are they skates? Skates, right?
The ones that I wear on my legs.
Yeah, they are skates, right? But there's a skateboard. That's a difference between a skate and skateboard. There's a difference, yeah? There's a difference. Okay. So, yeah, and what's your favorite lesson at school?
Maths.
Maths.
Because I'm always number one in maths.
You're always the best.
Yes.
You're always the best in maths, right?
But
You are
it's
the-
not boring. It's fun.
You love mathematics.
Yeah.
Oh, that's interesting. Wow. And so, what do you want for your future? What do you want to become, or what's your goal?
Entrepreneur.
An
The word is so hard.
entrepreneur,
Yes.
a business person.
Yeah. Like
Whoa.
who does a lot of business.
Which business would you love?
The most.
Yeah.
Having a car factory.
Wow, you want to have a car factory?
Yeah. Producing my own car.
Okay. So we are driving along Kikuyu for those who want. Yeah. So you want to have your own car?
Yes.
Oh, so in short, you're inspired by Elon Musk, right?
Yes.
Ah, you want to have your own Tesla factory, your own Toyota manufacturing plant.
Yes,
Yeah.
I don't know what I'll name the car, but I'll know in the future.
Huh?
I don't know what I'll name the car, but I'll name it in the future.
We can name it now. We can name it space, or we can name it something. Anything. You love space, right? You love rockets, right?
Logic, science, math.
Science.
When,
You like
when
biology?
it's about maths,
Yeah,
it's about logic, science, maths, buildings,
yeah.
all those
Okay.
engineering
Engineering.
things.
Okay, good. That's interesting. I understand you also do something else.
Right?
Apart from skating, what else do you do for like educational? Apart, you play chess, or do you do coding?
I do coding.
What is your favorite language if you do coding?
My favorite.
Yeah, what is your favorite what is the language you use to code?
I use Python.
Okay, teach us some Python. Some few Python lines. What do you know about Python? What do you know about Python?
I know
What do you know about
functions. This-
functions?
Yes.
What are functions?
Python functions
Yeah.
are like some scripts that you can use
Yeah.
to even make a game without using any.
Repeat, yes. Python classes. What are they? Have you ever had something like that?
Yes.
What are they and how are they used?
They are used
Mm.
to define an object.
Wow, they used to define an object.
Yeah.
Interesting. Object. So there is green garden. Awesome. So you can instantiate an object from the class, right? Awesome. So let's say we have this class cars, Senor. We have this class cars, right? And then the object will be, we can give the class Toyota, right? No, the function. Or we can say class Toyota, right? And then the car Toyota, the class Toyota will be inheriting from the class, the parent class, cars, right? And what are the properties we can put in the class? What are some of them in our class? Some of the properties we can have in our class to Toyota. What are some of the properties? I give you one. Color.
We can also put horsepower.
Horsepower. Wow, you can also have horsepower. That is the horsepower.
And we can also use
Will we use integer or string for horsepower?
horsepower.
Yeah.
Use integer because if we write it in numbers, we use it in numbers.
Yeah.
We use integer. If we write it
Yeah.
in words, we
Yeah.
use string.
So if you write it in words, we use string. Ah, interesting. Okay. So tell us something about Toyota. Maybe something you have learned about our car.
About Toyota,
Yeah, our cars. What do you know about? Explain some of the features you love about the car. The
that
RAV4. The RAV4.
it's good lasting.
Okay, it's long
good
lasting.
quality.
Yeah. So some of the features you love about the car: long lasting, reliable. What else?
Even a small car
Yeah.
can go on off.
Yeah, I agree. It just depends on the
How you have kept the engine.
how you kept the engine. Okay. And also how the wheel force application applies. If it has something like dynamic torque, it has some. I mean, you see, for the new Toyotas, they can distribute the weight of the force to different wheels, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. So you like a white car, red car? Which is your favorite color for cars? And why?
Blue.
Blue car, like this one.
Yes.
You love blue.
Every car blue.
Every car blue. What a special color, I think. Okay.
And also rare.
Red. That Mercedes, right? Let's chase it. We'll just.
You can chase a Mercedes.
Why we can't chase Mercedes? Why? We are also stereos. Right?
Yeah. Then let's chase it.
No, we don't need to chase anyway. Just need to drive at our own pace anyway. It's very important that you don't do chasing in the road. You can cause an
Accident.
move at your own
Yes.
space. Avoid chasing other people. So no. Okay. So tell me something you know about cars apart from the reliability. Something to do with the engine. Something to do with the cars. Why cars? Why do you love cars so much, man? 'Cause I would confess, for me, I love cars because cars help you to move from A to B.
Yes.
And of course, it's always fun. It's always fun.
Especially off-roading.
Off-roading.
I like cars also because
Close the window.
I
Close up the
can-
window. Close up the window.
because it's fun to build cars.
It's fun to build cars.
Yes.
Okay. So would you like to move to Japan once you grow up so that you learn? Would you like to migrate to Japan to learn more about Toyota? And
Yeah.
so which is your favorite vehicle brands apart from Toyota? Because it's not only Toyota which produces good cars. Other companies also have good cars. Which other models do you love?
My second best.
Yeah. Second best, second, third, and so forth.
Second best is Tesla.
You love Tesla.
Yeah. Third is Range Rover.
Range Rover.
Yes. Fourth is Honda.
Honda. Wow.
Fifth is Discovery.
Honda Discovery is still part of Range Rover. How about, you said Honda? So let me ask you, about Subaru? Subaru. They are very common. That's a Subaru, right? So when merging the intersection, you have to come with you see that one. Don't come too slowly. So go into the intersection. Okay. So we are going to the hub. Do some shopping.
Then when we are done, we go and buy my birthday present.
Birthday present coming. Hey, the pressure up about the present, my friend.
My birthday.
your birthday is coming soon. You want birthday present. So interesting. So tell me about something about God. I know you are God-fearing young boy. Where do you have faith in Christ? How can you prove that you have faith in Christ?
By doing right things in the mind of parents.
Okay. So what did you tell those students who don't know Christ? What did you tell them?
I will hold them a Bible.
Okay, give them a Bible.
Even if it's yours.
Okay. Okay.
Or I will read to them a story.
Yeah, those who don't know Christ. Okay. Story of who?
Of Christ.
Story of Christ. And what is the greatest story ever told? What's the greatest story in the whole world wide?
The one that just came.
Yesterday.
Yeah, yesterday.
The encyclopedia.
Yes.
I think we should have a session to read for them, for this audience, right? You read for them. That's interesting. So that's wonderful. Thank you guys for tuning in. We'll catch up next time. So what are you going to tell people? Like?
Subscribe and hit that notification button.
Hit the notification?
Button.
Awesome.